Welcome to JH. Nixol Capsules are a UK-produced weight loss supplement marketed as a clean, vegan, and scientifically backed option. However, a closer look reveals that the scientific claims are somewhat questionable. The brand utilizes a sleek, minimalist aesthetic to align with current wellness trends. Their website is filled with promises like fat burning, muscle retention, and weight loss without strict calorie tracking. While these claims sound appealing, there is very little evidence to support them. Although they claim the formula is clinically researched, no actual studies or clinical trials are linked for verification. You are essentially required to trust their word, which is a concern for anyone seeking proven results. Regarding the ingredients, the capsules contain apple cider vinegar extract, inulin, and L-glutamine. While these components may offer individual health benefits, there is no concrete proof that their combination enhances weight loss. Furthermore, the company fails to disclose specific dosages or explain why these particular ingredients were paired together. They mention following GMP manufacturing standards, yet they lack official certification, which is a critical distinction. Additionally, there is no evidence of third-party testing, making it difficult to verify the product's reliability. While the reviews on their official website are exclusively positive, there is a noticeable absence of feedback from independent platforms like Reddit. This lack of external validation makes it hard to trust the testimonials provided. In summary, Nixol presents a polished image but fails to provide substantial backing. The lack of clear evidence and transparency is a major drawback. While it may not be a scam, the product appears significantly overhyped.